So what's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to withdraw money from Gocrypto. So firstly, open the Gocrypto app on your phone, then enter your email address and password to log in. Once logged in, go to the wallet or balance section, then check the amount you want and have available for withdrawal. Now tap withdraw and choose your preferred withdrawal method. You can choose bank transfer, crypto, or other supported e-wallets. Input the amount you want to withdraw, then provide the destination details. Double check your details to avoid errors, then review the transaction summary. Tap confirm to withdraw, and you may need to verify the transaction using a code sent to your email or phone. Just wait for withdrawal. It depends on bank transfers and crypto wallets, which are usually instant. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.